Welcome to Brightpoint Infotech's podcast, where we explore technology, transformation, and the tools shaping the future of business. I'm your host, Premjit Singh, and joining me is Shannon Walsh, our sales manager at Brightpoint Infotech. Shannon, welcome to the show.
Hey, Prem, always a pleasure to be here, and especially when we're diving into something as transformative as the Microsoft Power Platform and its AI capabilities.
Absolutely, Shannon. And in today's fast-paced digital environment, the pressure on businesses to innovate and adapt has never been, greater. And what we are seeing now is that the ability to build, deploy, and scale solutions quickly isn't just an advantage anymore. It's a crucial mission.
And a great point, exactly. And that's where Microsoft Power Platform steps in. So it's offering that low code toolkit that not only just empowers both professional developers and business users to build apps, automate workflows,
Right.
analyze data. And now, thanks to AI, it makes smarter, faster decisions at scale.
Absolutely. So let's set the stage for our listeners, Shannon. Can you walk us through the core components of Power Platform?
Yeah, of course. I mean, Microsoft Power Platform, think of it broken down into four primary tools. Number one, you have apps, which they very cleverly named Power Apps for low-code app development. Secondly, is the automation workflow engine, which is Power Automate.
Right.
And then a tool that's been around for some time here, but it's part of the Power Platform, which is Power BI for all that data visualization and analytics. And then last is the Power Virtual Agents, so for building those intelligent chatbots. So if you look at it all as the sum of one, together they form this unified platform, and that bridges the gap between AI and business. So it allows for that streamlining of operations and accelerating that innovation.
Right, right. And that's why, what's really exciting is how AI is now embedded across these tools, right? It's no longer just about faster development, it's about building smarter solutions.
I mean, it's a game changer. I know that phrase is used a lot, but with the built-in AI tools like AI Builder and Copilot, users, IT, business, they can integrate capabilities like document management, right, or document automation, things like object detection, predictive analytics, sentiment analysis, all without deep coding or data science expertise. So it's putting the tools in the hands of the users and watching them thrive.
Right, right. Shannon, can we discuss some, real world use cases over
Mm.
here? For example, what are some of the industry specific examples where Power Platform infused with AI is making a difference?
Yeah, I mean, let's talk about retail. I mean, that's an area where all of us have had some experience with various different CX platforms. So in this case here, using Power BI and AI Builder, retail business they can analyze the customer's purchase patterns, create personalized experience because it's all about having that personalized experience when you're interacting with a brand. Um, so as an example, AI can highlight buying trends and use that Power BI, BI dashboards to visualize the product performance, which then ultimately would help those retailers fine tune, for example, promotions in real time to have that engagement with their loyal customers.
Right, interesting, interesting, Shannon. And what about healthcare industry? Can you share some
Yeah, in healthcare.
use cases for
Sorry, go
healthcare?
ahead. Yeah, no. So in healthcare, those Power Virtual Agents, they can do things like manage the appointment bookings via an AI chatbot. Um, Power Automate handles all the follow-ups and reminders back and forth with those patients, and that's ultimately reducing the load on the admin staff and provides that improve patient experience because they're already in a difficult situation. They're trying to get care, and having this automated definitely provides a much better experience.
Right, right. Okay, and the last one, can we also discuss a use case about the manufacturing industry?
Yeah, I mean, what we're seeing in the market, manufacturers, they are leveraging AI Builder for something that's very important to manufacturer when it comes to predictive maintenance. So very
Right.
asset intensive organizations,
Yeah.
AI models, you know, and monitors the machine performance, and it can trigger workflows through that Power Automate engine when maintenance is due. So the outcome from that is minimizing any unplanned downtime and boosting productivity. So yeah, predictive maintenance is very important in when it comes to manufacturers.
Right, right. So Shannon, now let's discuss about the core capabilities here and break down some of the individual tools, starting with Power Apps. How does it empower, for example, non-developers?
Yeah. So non-developers, business users, Power Apps, what it's doing, it uses a drag and drop interface. So they have all these pre-built templates to let those users working with it, build those business applications for their line of business needs without writing any code, because business users do not write code, right? So it's a drag and drop interface. And what it's doing, it's connecting with Microsoft 365, the productivity suite. It's connecting with Dynamics 365, the ERP and the customer engagement platforms, and other systems as well, right? So it's not just necessarily
Right,
Microsoft.
right, right,
And what it does, it ensures responsive design across multiple devices.
right, right, right. Thank you for that information, Shannon. And what about Power Automate?
Yeah, Power Automate. I mean, that's the engine behind the workflow automation. So there's thousands of connectors. It can trigger actions across systems, do things like approvals, collect data, notifications, and it even includes AI actions like data extraction and sentiment.
Right, right. And Shannon, then there is Power BI, which has become a staple for modern reporting.
So Power BI, what that does, it pulls data from multiple sources. So it could be Dynamics, it could be other data sources that are non-Microsoft, and it transforms it into dashboards, right?
Right,
What it's using, with natural language queries, users can simply just ask questions, because all we want to be able to do is just ask a question like, what was last quarter's sales? And they're able to get instant visual answers, however that's graphically represented. But just
right.
asking questions, getting a response, seeing the data represented is a great way to work with Power BI.
Absolutely. And finally, Shannon, Power Virtual Agents, turning conversation into convergence.
Yeah, I mean, Power Virtual Agents. Um, you can build intelligent chatbots, and what that's going to do is automate interactions between individuals. Resolve common queries. So you don't need to be doing that via email, over the phone, or through Teams. It's all through this experience. And if you need to escalate to human when needed, you can do that all with zero coding.
Right, right. So Shannon, for leaders listening today, why should
Yeah.
AI in Power Platform be on their radar right now?
Well, I mean, it empower the organization to do more with less. Um, and there's a few things that I'd point out here. If leaders listening to this call, it's faster decision making, right? Things like greater productivity by automating repetitive tasks. Uh, for example, with retail organizations, you're going to improve that customer engagement with the intelligent bots. and it's accessible for everyone, so not just developers. So and it all integrates natively with Microsoft 365, Dynamics, Azure, creating that truly intelligent business environment. So think of it as one platform, one solution with all of those tools readily available.
Right. So thank you so much, Shannon, for sharing those insights, and well said. The future of solution development is just not faster, it's smarter, more intuitive, and more inclusive. And Shannon, any final thoughts for businesses thinking about getting started with our platform?
Yeah, I mean, pilots are great. Take an agile approach to it. Start small, but start. Whether it's a dashboard, simple automation, or a chatbot, every step unlocks value. So when you're ready to scale, the platform grows with you. So our recommendation is lean into AI. It's the future. It's here. But yeah, you tippy toe into it, start small, and build great things.
Brilliant. Shannon, thank you so much once again for being with us.
Yeah, thanks, Prem. Always a pleasure.
Yeah, thank you. Thank you. And thank you also to our listeners who are tuning into Brightpoint Infotech's podcast. And if you would like to explore AI consulting or implementation tailored to your business, please reach out to us at info@brightpointinfotech.com. We are here to help you and unlock digital potential. And until next time, this is Prem signing off. Thank you.